Right.
We're our own paparazzi.
Right, exactly. I'm videotaping you, videotaping me.
I'm like wondering if it's like blocking in the middle, like.
Right. This is excellent. Right.
I'm videotaping you.
Right.
You can't see me.
Right. it's like a sword fight with
Like,
footage.
what if our eyeballs popped out?
Sword.
Do you say sword?
Sword. He actually
sword
said it
fight.
properly.
Sword.
Sword.
It's like what?
Sword.
Quick thins. Cool whip. Cool whip.
Sword fight.
Stewie understands how to talk properly.
Yeah,
Right, that would be yeah, that would be crazy. It's kind of like look, we've got we're using this thing called You Now, and this is amazing. I love it.
So you guys are the SCP. Tell them what the SCP is about.
The Streetlight Christian Project is actually a group that's based out of Hampton Roads right now. It's focused
Hi,
on
Sam.
What's up, Sam? It's focused on the young adult generation of Christians and honestly non-believers as well too. It's really just a platform to do something positive, to get active in the community, whether it's through feeding the homeless, whether it's through offering prayer to people. I mean, there's a lot that we're doing, motivational speaking, but the Streetlight Christian Project, it's a network. It's a network for people.
What just happened?
Two.
We're talking to this one now.
Hey, I'm talking to you now.
It just went up. You got screen go that?
But yeah.
You gotta refresh your screen.
But it's a network for people to find support through, especially if you are a Christian, especially if you have a faith in Christ Jesus. You don't have to really be alone. You don't really have to be, or you don't have to feel like you're doing this by yourself. There's a group of people who are backing you up through the Streetlight Christian Project.
That's why she moved the camera.
But it's actually the same color. So, yeah.